Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for men. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. Smartphone Gimbal Stabilizer. It is a lightweight and versatile tool that unlocks the full potential of your smartphone. Enjoy flawless selfies, super smooth video, automatic tracking, and so much more with this DJI phone gimbal. Include more friends in a selfie, or even film your pets more comfortably from lower angles. This smart gimbal stabilizer is perfect for vlogging, live streaming, and YouTube. Shot Guides automatically recognizes your environment and recommends a corresponding shot sequence, along with a tutorial for how to get it. Just follow the instructions and you'll be shooting like a pro in no time. With the DJI Om 5 gimbal stabilizer, even first-time users can experience epic results. A next-generation algorithm ensures DJI Om 5 tracks subjects with greater stability and responsiveness, even while moving quickly. This compact smartphone gimbal also maintains tracking reliably and delivers smoother camera movements, giving you more time to focus on your surroundings. Never post a shaky video again. Even with an external lens added, DJI Om 5's powerful 3-axis motor keeps your smartphone steady and your videos smooth. Magnetically secure your smartphone onto the gimbal in seconds without the need for balancing or calibration. The rubber coating on the phone clamp keeps your iPhone or Android device secure, and with the flexible design, you can easily mount your device without taking off your case. Next, 12 South Action Band for Apple Watch. Action Band allows you to keep using Apple Watch when sports gear or activity restricts wrist placement or causes discomfort. Action Band comes in a set of 2 bands, one with a secure watch frame and one without. Action Band is a blend of terry cloth and lycra that stretches to fit on a wrist or forearm so it can stay put and absorb sweat. Not just a band. Apple Watch is cradled in a built-in bumper which protects Apple Watch and helps shield from nicks and dings while allowing crown access. Action Band is for Apple Watch Series 4, 5, 6 and SE, and is machine washable. Next, Fishy HP USB mechanical keyboard with 12.6 inches touchscreen will empower you with an integrated keystroke and touchscreen user experience that also supports multi-screen display work. Provides 15 different types of backlight settings, and adjustable brightness. No download or companion software is required to get this keyboard running. Replaceable keycaps for your personalized style. Touchpad keyboard will help you to cut your dependence on the mouse by 50%, consequently boosting your computer user efficiency by 50%. When you want to expand your screen display options, which offers you the convenient and smooth touch panel which allows you to explore the expanding possibilities of multi-screen work. Very suitable for various purposes, such as work, games, study. The gaming keyboard has a built-in 12.6-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1920x515, a frequency of 60 Hz, and 10 contacts, which is close to the screen display resolution provided by this machine. The RGB keyboard is compatible with various devices, whether it is a desktop computer, a laptop, or a smartphone. It can also be connected to a tablet for screen projection and microcomputer operation. It is suitable for computers and smartphones with Type-C full-function interfaces, as well as computers that provide HDMI interfaces. The computer keyboard is equipped with 2 USB 2.0 ports, allowing you to connect a mouse, keyboard, U-disc, mechanical hard drive, solid-state drive, and other USB external devices. Next, Magnetic Emergency LED Road Flares Warning Kit. Are you afraid that any minor incident with your car that might get you to pull over may potentially turn into something worse? Then this is the solution for you. The premium pack of LED lights for car signaling. One of the best parts about this emergency kit for cars is that it's extremely easy to use by simply laying the road flares on the ground. This way, you ensure a 360 degrees 1-mile visibility of your car, protecting yourself. The pack of 4 magnetic LED lights in super bright work will ensure full visibility of your car. The set is very easy to deposit in the trunk with the help of the premium bag included in the pack. In order to make sure that all the drivers will see you with the help of the roadside emergency kit, it includes 9 different flash modes including single blink, SOS rescue, and more, all with extended battery lives. In order for the car flashlights to overcome any situation, they are made from extremely strong and durable materials that are rainproof, shatterproof and crushproof, being perfect as a backup for your car or bicycle. Next, Fortem Car Trunk Organizer. This Fortem Premium Trunk Storage Organizer for car is reinforced with rigid base plates to support every side panel. Among car organizers and storage, it will leave less mess to worry about with multiple side pockets and up to 6 compartments. The bottom half of the organizer is also waterproof. It has non-slip strips to prevent sliding and adjustable straps with metal hooks to secure to your trunk. Store small items in the tight mesh siding or elastic side pockets. You can even connect 2 or more car organizers with interlocking buckles. Bonus microfiber towel included. Fortem trunk organizers and storage make car organization easy and simple. Organize a variety of products from groceries to office supplies, accessories, handbags, shoes, or toys for kids. Consolidate the mess in your trunk and make room for your cooler or camp gear. You can move trunk storage to the backseat, front seat, or center of your vehicle since it is collapsible to one compartment. The foldable, detachable lid keeps your goods out of sight for added security. Next, Maxa Park Right Dual Laser Parking Guide. Park Right Dual Laser accommodates 2 cars to park and navigate tight garages with ease. Motion sensor detects movement up to 10 feet away. 2 adjustable laser beams tell you where to stop to park perfectly, every time. Easy installation with either included screws or double stick tape, AC powered, requires no wiring, an optional backup battery meets Class 3A red laser requirements for highest safety and performance. Next, Belkin Power Strip Surge Protector. Power everything on your desk with a single compact surge-protected extension cord. This reputable power cord offers 12 AC outlets with surge protector for charging your computer, laptop, phone, camera, and more. 1 charging station for a clutter-free desk. Featuring a 1-in 2-out RJ11 telephone or fax protection to ensure open and continuous phone line connections. It also provides a coaxial cable protection to safeguard cable box and satellite connections. The damage-resistant housing protects circuits from fire, impact, and rust. The electric strip has a 3,940 joule energy rating, providing a reliable power extension cord to protect printers, broadband modems, or home theater systems. It secures your electronic devices from overload, short circuit, power spikes, lightning strikes, or fluctuations. The widely spaced outlets give ample area to fit big plugs and charger bricks. Its slender design makes it ideal for home office, workstations, and game rooms. The durable cord is 8 feet (2.4 meters) long with a 3-prong angle plug, convenient for tight spaces. Next, Car Kettle Boiler. Designed to heat up your water-on car cigarette lighter into 100 degrees Celsius in 45 minutes with electronic thermostat function. 750 milliliters is a necessary travel tool. Easy to use and clean. Just pour the kettle with water, then connect it to the car with the cigarette lighter cable. Indicator turns red when working, and green when work's done. The indicator light will turn red when water temperature is below rated temperature. Anti-leak and anti-slip water heating. Designed with sealed rubber band on the lid to prevent liquid spilling out and improve the efficiency of warming. Anti-slip rubber base, keep the cup stable. Fits almost cars that have cup holders. Ideal for hot water, coffee, tea, soup, also as a baby warmer. Next, Omnidia wired over-ear headphones. Enjoy clear sound and comfort with the Omnidia Studio Monitor headphones. Large, 50mm speaker unit drivers combined with neodymium magnets, powerful bass, clear vocal, and crisp high tones form stereo sound. The soft padded ear cushions are designed for monitor headphones comfort and noise isolation. The headband is adjustable and stretchable for you to find the desired angle you like to fit in. DJ-style coiled cord easily reaches from the TV or stereo to your chair. A standard-sized 6.35mm plug and a 3.5mm plug are included. They both are completely detachable. You can plug in the mixer you want to use. 90-degree swiveling ear cups for single ear monitoring anytime. Self-adjustable and flexible headband delivers a fatigue-free listening experience that can last for hours. Ideal for mastering and mixing. All devices have 3.5mm or 6.35mm audio jack. Bass sound, durability, and comfort. These are the headphones you've been looking for.